Okay, today we're doing House Block 2, and this is very similar to House Block 1, so if you haven't watched that video, I would suggest watching it. It's very similar. The roof section is almost identical. In this video, I am just going to do a kind of a quick overview, so if you want to go more in depth, watch the House Block 1 video. So here's my little pile of all of the pieces I need to make this block. When I'm cutting my fabric, I automatically put them in the pile that they need to go in for each block. Otherwise, you're sorting at the end and remeasuring, and it takes forever. And so as you cut, put them in the little piles, and you'll save yourself a lot of time. So here we are at step 1, section A. We're making the top row of the block. And now we're going to start step 2, section B, which is also the roof row. So for more details on this section, I would suggest watching House Block 1 video, where I go into a lot of detail about how to line these up, because these can be a little tricky. Okay, next comes step 3, section C, which is the wall section with the window and the door. And the final step is to sew all the rows together. And I do pin here so that the chimneys line up with the roof properly. I want to make sure that they don't move on me. Otherwise the chimney hangs off the edge of the roof, and that looks kind of wonky. And there you have it, House Block 2 finished. Thanks for watching the video. Happy sewing!